and they want to change the last picture, but we want to continue it with good results. Selamat malam. Well, we go to play against a good team, a team that not play against Persiv on the last round, so have more time to prepare this match than us. We play on the 2nd December, we travel on the 3rd, so we just have 4 and 5 to prepare the match. Today we arrive, tomorrow we play. PSM Makassar never won for Liga Satu here on this stadium against Bali. Last season we are winning 2-1 on half time, playing with one less player, and after we lose. In the other season we draw Dua Sama, so means that tomorrow is going to be a tough match, and we know that opponent team going to try to do everything to win the match, and I hope that our players can make a fantastic attitude that they make last game to try to collect points and make good performance here, because we need.
We have a short time to prepare for this match. We play on 2, so we don't have a lot of time to prepare for this match. But on this short period, we try to focus and what we can improve, what we can develop for help us to win the match against Bali. So I think on this short period we do a good trainings, and I hope tomorrow we can win.
Coach, mungkin bertahu berapa banyak pemain PSM yang dibawa ke Bali, apakah ada yang cedera atau absen untuk besok?
Many players injured, but we're gonna have 11 players tomorrow, and some of them gonna be on the bench. Some of them that gonna be on the bench are not 100%. Because coming from injured or still injured, but the 11 that gonna play, they're gonna try to do the best, and after who's come inside also go to try to do the best.
Kemarin terakhir melawan Borneo, PSM menang. Sementara Bali, last game-nya melawan Dewa kalah. Apakah coach ada kewaspadaan atas motivasi Bali untuk bangkit nanti di kita besok?
I think in the other side going to be a team that wants to change the history, comparing with the last match, because they lose. But we always go to the games to try to win. We know that the opponent team is strong, have good players, good facilities. But tomorrow we're going to play on the same facility, and we're going to try. We know that is hard because PSM Makassar never win here against Bali. But we're going to try to do our best, and I hope that our players can be focused since the first minute until the end, and try to bring the fantastic attitude that they show on the last match for tomorrow, because we're going to need. We know that Bali is a strong team, and they want to change the last picture, but we want to continue it with good results. But to do this, we need to be almost perfect, because Bali is a good team and have good players.